Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Shopify. The report was first published on our website Thursday, July 21, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Shopify? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since June 29, 2022, our system ranks the Shopify stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.706. In this period, the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 22.24%. This is an average return of 1.39% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Shopify, our last headline reads, Shopify stock price up 4.96% on Thursday. The Shopify stock price gained 4.96% on the last trading day, Thursday, July 21, 2022, rising from $38.49 to $40.40, and has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day, the stock fluctuated 7.48% from a day low at $37.85 to a day high of $40.68. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 14.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -3 million shares, and in total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.60 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,762.92, and the lowest price was $29.72. Right now the price is 97.71%, or $1,722.52, below 52-week high at $1,762.92, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the lower of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at -$5.43 is broken, it will firstly indicate a stronger fall rate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -63.31% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and 131.83%. The 12-month trend indicates a -74.29% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -100% and 269.52%. This equals a price between $0 and $149.29 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Shopify stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Shopify stock and sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Shopify. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, July 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 31.72%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Shopify stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $205.97. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $34.27. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal not applicable days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 154 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 153 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Shopify. Shopify finds support from accumulated volume at $38.49, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.83 between high and low, or 7.48%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.54%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Shopify. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Shopify currently has a price-earning ratio of 296.08. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q2 2022 is expected to be released July 27, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are -10 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Shopify finds first level of support at $38.49, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Shopify is neutral. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Shopify stock a buy? Shopify holds several negative signals and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 22nd, we expect Shopify to open down -76 cents and start trading at $39.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.